Welcome to Tech Help Stock Market Technical Analysis channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Morning Star and Evening Star. Morning Star and Evening Star, they both are different patterns which happens with a combination of three candlestick patterns. In this video, we are going to learn complete Morning Star and Evening Star patterns one by one. I request please watch this video up to end and try to understand both the concepts. And these two patterns are very important. Most of the time we will get this kind of patterns. So let's start our session. First, let us discuss about Morning Star. Theoretically, I am going to explain what is Morning Star, how it is going to happen, how it is going to set the trend. Morning Star pattern will appear in bearish trend, that means downtrend. Morning Star is a combination of three different candles. The first one is a solid bearish candle followed by a small candle known as star. This middle candle we can call it as a star or we can call it as a doji. So this middle candle can appear in red color or green color. Most of the time it will appear in red color. The middle candle represents market movement and the battle between bulls and bears. For this pattern to play out, the third candle need to be a solid bullish one, representing the win the sellers had over the buyers during the plotting of the star. The third candle body should also not crosses the star. So this is about Morning Star. So if you look at here, the Morning Star is going to appear only in downtrend markets. We can see this kind of Morning Star in equity stocks, and also this Morning Star we can see indexes also we can trade using this Morning Star. So if you look at here, starting the first candle starts with completely red. This is completely a bearish signal, and the second candle we can see that this is a doji. Sometimes this will appear in green also, sometimes this will appear in red. So the third candle should be bullish candle, it should be in green. And the only thing you have to consider is here, after looking at these patterns, candlestick patterns, the closing of the third candle, the green candle, the closing of the green candle body should be equal to or lesser than opening of the first candle. If you look at here, the closing of the green candle should be opening of the red candle or lesser than opening of the red candle. If you calculate or if you count complete these candles, the trend is going to be, if combine these three candles into one candle, how this is going to occur I am going to show. Let us take into MS Paint. One more important point is, in this bearish trend, the first candle you can see red candle, that means a lot of the selling pressure, and second one we can see this is a doji. Doji happened because of bullish and bearish fight. Even though we don't see bearish here, we don't see the green signal. Because of bullish and bearish fight, the trend has changed and the doji is occurring here. And if we combined all these three candles, we are going to get another candle that is again a red candle. We can see here we are going to get a red candle. We will call it as this one, we will call it as a hammer. This is the kind of hammer it's going to frame, because if you look at the three candles, if you look into these three candles here, completely we have bearish, and also doji also supporting bearish, and here we are having bullish. If you combine all these three candles, we are going to get another candle that is hammer. It is going to create hammer. So this pattern is very important for us while understanding market, while trading with bearish trends or downtrends. This pattern is very important. We are going to see the same pattern in chart also. I will make you to understand the same pattern in chart, so it will be helpful for you. When you see the morning star, when you see these three candles appearing and giving exact picture what we are looking here, and if you combine these three candles, if you are getting a hammer, then we can go for long, we can go for buy, we can take the position in this kind of situations. If you look at this graph, if you look at these indicators, candlestick patterns, you can clearly observe here that the stock is moving into downtrend, the stock completely moving downtrend, and here the first candle we can see bearish candle. After that we have here doji. Doji is clearly a fight between bull and bear, so here doji is getting created. After that we are having another candle that is completely representing bullish pattern. So, and also our criteria is completely matching. The opening price or opening of first candle shoulders should match with closing of the third candle. So in this case it is exactly matching. And if you look at the trend, continuously it is moving positive direction, and without break it is moving a positive direction, and after some time it is taking again downtrend. Still we can expect this kind of situations a good return or good result. So I request you to understand, and I request you to understand these trends so that it will be very helpful for us. Only in downtrend markets we are going to get this kind of morning stars, and we are going to discuss evening star also very clearly. Evening star and morning star are very important, which gives very good accurate results in terms of trading. If anyone is looking for stock market trading strategies, stock market trainings, you guys can always contact me. You guys can send email to me. It's ramanjul.techhelp@gmail.com. Thank you all for watching these videos. More and more strategies and more technical analysis things we are going to discuss in our trainings. Thank you all for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel. People who is getting benefited, who is learning from our channel, I request everyone, please share our videos to your friends. Let others also should get benefited from our videos. Thank you all for watching this video.